Today I am going to explain your topic of the grammar, and the name of the topic is articles. The name of the topic is articles. And I think all my students are very intelligent, and obviously they know about the articles. How many articles are there? There are three articles: a, an, and the. How many articles are there? There are three articles: a, an, and the. Now, all my dear students, firstly, starting my topic, I want to ask about the vowels and consonants. Okay, so listen carefully. Okay, without the knowledge of vowels and consonants, we can't start our topic of the articles. So, I want to ask, how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? Look here. There are five vowels. There are five vowels. First one is A. Second one is E. Third one is I. And fourth one is O. And fifth one is U. It means there are five vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And how many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants because there are 26 alphabets. Okay, in English language there are 26 alphabets, 5 vowels and 21 consonants. 21 consonants. Okay, is it clear? Oh, first of all, before starting this topic, you have to learn the vowels and consonant. Okay, leave the vowels, other letters are consonants. Okay, leave the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, from the 26 letters, and other thens are consonants. I think is it clear? It is clear to all of you. Move to the next page. First one, now I am going to explain your topic of articles. Your topic of articles. How many articles are there? As I have already told you, a and the. Okay, a and the are the articles. Okay, this is very simple, but how many types of articles are there? There are two types of articles: indefinite and definite. Indefinite and definite. Now, which article is indefinite and which article is definite? A and an are indefinite articles, and the is definite article. Okay, learn that. It means definite means the article is used with particularized thing. It means specific thing. That's why this is definite. And they are indefinite. Why? Because they are used with general things. Okay, that's why this is a difference between the both. Now move to the next page. I'm going to start your article with your first article, a article. Okay, first one is a article. A article, where we use this article, look here. A article is used before singular countable noun beginning with consonant sound. Okay, now what are the features? What are the features of this article? Listen carefully. Okay, first one, general. It means a article always comes with general. General means as purse, table, okay, pencil. Okay, these are general. Okay, not specific. Okay, when you are talking about any general thing, you have to use a article. Secondly, the singular. It means when you want to fill a article, that noun should be singular. Noun should be singular. If we will write the plural noun, then no article will come there. I will explain further in the examples. Okay, I will explain here. The third one is countable. It means the things you can count. There we will use a article. Okay, and specifically it should be noun. It should be noun. With the noun we use a article. And the last one is beginning with consonant sound. Okay, as given in the definition, beginning with consonant sound. Okay, how these all qualities apply on this, I will explain it with the help of these examples. Look here. Purse. First one is purse. First one is purse. Okay, first one, look here, this is a general thing. Okay, not particular or specific thing, we are talking about general. Okay, secondly, it is singular. Okay, singular, it means I am talking about one purse. I am talking about one purse. Thirdly, it should be countable. It means bag. Oh, purse, it means purse. You can count the purse, 1 2 3 4, you can count. Yes, then it means it is countable also. Fourth one is noun. It means it should be noun. Purse, and what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal or bird. Here purse is a thing, that's why it is a noun also. Last one is it should be start with consonant sound. Now look here, P word, P. Okay, P is a consonant because A, E, I, O, U are vowels and other are consonants. It means we will fill here article. Okay, we will fill here a article. Okay, now move to the next table. Table, this is a general thing, this is a singular also, this is a countable also, you can count it, this is a noun also, and beginning with consonant sound, it means T. T is a consonant, that's why we will fill here article. Okay, is it clear? Now move to the next. Third one is bag. Bag is a general and it is a singular, it is countable also, and it is a noun also, and it is a consonant also. Why? Because it is beginning with consonant, B, B. Okay, B is a consonant, that's why we will fill here a. Okay, is it clear? Now move to the next. Fourth one is pencil. Fourth one is pencil. Now pencil is general, singular, countable noun and beginning with consonant sound because P is consonant. That's why we will fill here article. Okay. Now it's clear. Move to the next. Next one is beauty. Beauty. Listen carefully. Beauty. Beauty is general, but it is singular. It is beauty, not countable. Can you count the beauty? No, we can't count the beauty. It is an abstract noun also, and B is consonant also, but it is not countable. It is not countable, so no article will come here. Okay, no article will come here. We will put the cross here. Understood? Move to the next. Next one is respect. Next one is respect. Now respect is general, it is singular, and it is respect is noun and it is beginning with consonant sound, but it is not countable. But it is not countable, so we will not fill any article here. Is it clear? Move to the next. Next one is European. Okay, now E is silent here. When you will pronunciate it, you will speak European. Okay, E is silent here, so it will start with U. It will start with U, but the sound of this is U. Okay, U. U a umbrella. Okay, not you. Okay, that's why we will fill here article. Okay, it is clear. Now move to the next. It is a mango. It is a mango. And it is general and it is singular and it is countable and it is a noun and it is a consonant. That's why we will fill here a article. Is it clear? Move to the next. Mangoes. Now look. Here, mango is general, it is not singular. It is not singular. So, we will not fill any article here. We will put the cross here. Why? Because until the all features of of articles will not apply, we can't fill articles. Okay, we can't fill article with plural. We can fill the article with only singular. Move to the next one is 1 rupee note. Now look here, O is an article, but when we will pronunciate it, we will say one. Okay, one. Okay, we were. When we pronunciate it, always we speak we were. We were. We were when. Okay. So here we will not. Here the sound of the O is one. Were. That's why we will fill here article, not an article. Okay, because the sound of O is O, not wa. Not wa. Okay, it is clear. Move to the next. Next one is pencils. Again, this is a plural. Okay, again it is a plural. With plural, we will not use any article. So, we will cross here. Next one is wisdom. Next one is wisdom. Wisdom is noun because it is an abstract noun. It is consonant beginning with W. It is a consonant. Okay, it is an abstract noun, and it is singular. It is general, but we can't count wisdom. Wisdom means your intelligence. That's why we will not fill any article here. Next, move to the word. The next word is sugar. Next word is sugar. Okay, sugar. Sugar is general, it is singular, it is a noun. Okay, material noun, it is a consonant beginning with consonant sound. But what problem we have here? We can't count the sugar. Can you count the sugar? No, we can't count it. That's why no article will come here. Is it clear? Move to the next article. Next article is an article. An article is used before singular countable noun beginning with vowel sound. Beginning with vowel sound. Okay, what are the features of it? Look here. What are the features? The features are it is used with general. Similarly, as we have done the article, it should be singular, similar. It should be countable, singular. It should be noun, same. But here is the difference. Okay, actually, article always used before nouns that start with consonant sound, and an article is used with noun starting or beginning with vowel sound. Okay, as I have already told you, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Look here, I will explain it with the help of example. First one is egg. Egg start with E vowel. E vowel. That's why we fill and here. Is it clear? Move to the next. Next one is ox. Okay, O is a vowel, so we will fill here an article. Which article? An article. Okay, so move to the next. Next one is apple. A is a vowel, that's why we will fill here an article. We will fill here an article. I think it is clear to all of you. An article. Next one is ink pot. I start with vowel, that's why we will fill here and vowel. Okay, move to the next one is umbrella. Okay, umbrella, U is a vowel, that's why we will fill here an article. Move to the next. This is, but there are some exceptions also, which are, look here, university. Okay, university. It is a vowel, university. Okay, it is a vowel, but here we will not use an article. Why? What is the reason behind it? Okay, I am going to tell you, listen attentively. University, when you will write down in Hindi, uni, okay, like this, varsity, it will start with u, and when you pronunciate it, what is the sound of the u is what is the sound of the u is anar. Okay, that is the sound of the u, but here we pronunciate it u. Okay, university, that's why here, look here above the example umbrella, here we have filled an article because you are umbrella. Here university, you not we are not pronunciating it okay, we are pronunciating it university. That's why we will fill a article here. We will fill a article here, not an article. Okay, move to the next one is mla. Okay, m, when you will write down in Hindi, you will write down like m. Okay, and a is a vowel sound. Okay, is a vowel, so that's why we will fill here an article. Now move to the next one is honest. Next one is honest, but when we pronunciate it, we will pronunciate is honest, o. Okay, here h is the silent, here h is the silent, and it is starting with o sound, and o is a vowel, that's why we will fill here an. Okay, come to the next one is r. Next one is r. When we pronunciate it, we will pronunciate it r, not hour. Okay, and that's why h is silent here. H is silent here, and it is starting with o. O is a vowel, that's why we will fill here an article. Okay, now move to the next one is honorable. Next one is honorable. Okay, and similarly h is silent here, and we are pronunciating it honorable. O is a vowel, that's why we will fill here an article. Okay, not a article. Okay, move to the next one is x. Okay, it is starting with vowel sound. Okay, and it is a noun. It is a countable, but it is not singular. It is not singular. It is not singular. That's why here no article will come. Move to the Next one is umbrella. Okay, umbrella. Umbrellas. Similarly, this is not singular. This is not singular. That's why no article will come here. Move to the next. Next one is intelligence. It is starting with I vowel. Okay, but can you, it is not countable. Can you count the intelligence of any person? No. That's why no article will come here. Okay. Last one is, last word is MBBS. When you pronunciate it, you will pronunciate M. Okay, M. It means A. It means that is a vowel. That's why we will fill here N. It means MBBS, MLA, M. Okay, MPhil, MA. With all degrees, we will fill an article. Okay, I think it is clear to all of you. And here is exercise for all students. Okay, fill in the blanks with a or an article. It means you have to fill this exercise. Okay, this exercise, there are 10 questions in this, and you have to use only a and an article, not the. Okay, this is your 2 days homework, and write down all this in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Going to explain the article. Okay, which article? The. Which article? The. Okay, so listen attentively. Firstly, it indicates that noun is particular. Noun is particular and definite. Particular and definite, it means the article is always used with specific things, with particularized thing, the things which are very special. The article never comes before general things. Okay, it always comes before specific things. How? I will explain it with the help of some examples. Firstly, we use the before any noun when we want to particularize it. It means in which situation we will use the article. It means the meaning of it, we use the article before the noun if we are going to particularize that. It means if we are talking about any specific thing. How? It will be clear to all of you with the help of example. Look here, we lost the ball with which we were playing. We lost the ball. It look here attentively. B is a consonant. B is a consonant. So according to that, we should fill here a vowel. But why we have filled the article here? What is the reason behind it? Actually, we lost the ball with which we were playing. It means I am talking about the special ball, okay, with which we were playing, and I have lost that ball. If I will write the example, I have dash ball, full stop, then you will fill a article. Why? Because B is a consonant, ball is singular countable noun also. But when we make it specific or particularized, we will use here the article. Okay. Look at the second example. Close the window on your left. Again here W is consonant and window is singular countable noun. We can use here a article. But why we have used here the article? What is the reason behind it? Okay, tell me. Why I have used here the article before the window? Because I am talking about the left window, left, on your left side. I am talking about the window that is on your left side. Okay, it means I am talking about any specific window. That's why I have used here the article. Is it clear? Come to the second point. we use the with superlatives. I think all my dear students, you have knowledge of degree of comparison, positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, I can give you one example, tall, taller and tallest. Tallest is the superlative degree. Where you will see the superlative degree, you always will fill the article there. How I can explain it with the help of example. Look here at the first example. Ram is the most intelligent boy in the class. I have used the article here. Why? Because most intelligent is the superlative degree. Okay, that's why before the superlative degree you will always fill the article. Always remember that, don't forget. Look at the second example. America is the richest of all countries. Richest is also the superlative degree. That's why we will fill here the article. Why? Because before the superlative degrees we use the article. I think it is clear to all of you. Move to the next. Next one is, third one is, we use the with words like first, last, next, only. It means with the ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, last, and the words next and only, we will use the article. How? I can explain it with the help of example. Look here. Who is sitting on the last bench? Here last is the ordinal number and we will use the here. Okay, that's why we will fill here the article. Otherwise L is a consonant, but we fill the article here. Look at the second example. Navya is the only daughter of her parents. Here we will use the article. Why? Because here is given only, as I have told you earlier, with only and with next, first, last, ordinal numbers, we will use the article. Move to the next, fourth. We use the with a common noun when the noun represents the whole class. It means when any noun, single noun, singular noun represent the whole class. In that situation we will use the article before it. I can explain it with the help of example. Look here, the rose is a beautiful flower. I have used the article here. Why before the rose? Why? Because I am not talking about only one single rose flower. One single rose flower is beautiful. No, all rose flowers are beautiful. It means I am talking about the whole group. Whole group of the rose flowers. It means the rose represents the whole class. Understood? Look at the second example. The dog is a faithful animal. It means not only one dog is faithful. Okay, it means all dogs are faithful. It means the dog represents the whole class. That's why I have used here the article. I think these are all clear to all of you. So all my dear students, write in your notebook and revise it also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.